up on the roll. Made a mistake. Get the head.
Okay, here we go.
There we go. Beans are pretty good. They're pretty dry.
But you're just taking them to your grain bin.
We're just taking to the grain bin now.
Yep.
We were going to town, but we failed our contract. So we're just going to the grain bin now.
Mm-hmm.
Down there at my place.
We gotta go all the way to the end.
Yes. Yeah.
And all
it's
the
a
way
half
back.
mile.
Half mile. Okay.
I'm running about
Oh,
3-4, 3-3.
look at all these. And this is the GPS, right? Up there?
Yeah, well, that's the monitor for the yield. But this shows us the moisture. This is the yield here. This is an average, and this is the average for the moisture test of the grain.
Very good. All kinds of contraptions. Okay, here's the farmer. Hey, Grandpa.
Hi, guys.